Imagine an exercise so effective that it can reduce the risk of injury, improve your strength, and enhance your mobility all at once. This isn't a myth, it's the side lunge. The power of side lunges in athletic training may take you by surprise. It's a frontal plane unilateral exercise that targets key muscle groups such as your adductors, glutes, and quads. But the benefits don't stop with muscle strengthening. Side lunges also play a crucial role in improving knee joint stability, a vital factor for athletes in maintaining balance and control during movement. Plus, they help reduce the risk of groin strains, a common injury that can sideline you from your favorite sport. When incorporated into your workout routine, side lunges can become your secret weapon, enhancing mobility and strength while safeguarding you against injuries. So, whether you're a novice, an intermediate, or an advanced athlete, this exercise has something to offer. Now you might be wondering, how does it all work? Let's delve into the science behind it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Side lunges are more than just a simple leg exercise. They are a strategic tool to unlock your athletic potential. Let's delve into the science behind this powerful move, shall we? Side lunges, or lateral lunges as they're also known, are a frontal plane unilateral exercise. That's a fancy way of saying that they engage one side of your body at a time, helping to build balance and coordination. But what really sets side lunges apart is the specific muscles they target. The primary muscles involved in a side lunge are the adductors, glutes, and quads. Now, the adductors are a group of muscles that run along the inside of your thighs. These muscles are responsible for pulling your legs in towards the midline of your body, a movement known as adduction. In addition to improving overall leg strength, toning the adductors can significantly reduce the risk of groin strains and enhance knee joint stability. Next up, the glutes. These powerful muscles in your buttocks are responsible for hip extension and rotation. Strengthening the glutes through side lunges can contribute to improved athletic performance, particularly in sports that require powerful hip movements such as sprinting or jumping. And lastly, the quads. These four muscles at the front of your thigh are crucial for knee extension and hip flexion. A strong set of quads can provide stability and power for a range of athletic movements. Now, just as important as knowing what muscles side lunges work, is knowing how to do them correctly. Fitness trainers often emphasize the importance of proper technique and controlled movements. When you're performing a side lunge, you want to ensure that your knee is tracking over your foot, your chest is up, and your hips are pushed back. This helps to maximize the benefits and minimize the risk of injury. So, with all these benefits, how can you incorporate side lunges into your workout routine? We've got you covered. Incorporating side lunges into your workout routine is easier than you might think. You'll find that the beauty of this exercise lies in its simplicity and versatility. Let's break down the basic steps for performing a side lunge. Begin by standing tall, with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hands on your hips. Take a big step to the side with your right foot, ensuring your toes are pointed straight ahead. As you land, bend your right knee and push your hips back, as if you're sitting in a chair. Your left leg should remain straight. Push off with your right foot to return to the starting position, and repeat the movement on the left side. That's one rep. Now let's talk about variations. If you're a novice, it's okay to start with bodyweight side lunges. Once you're comfortable with the form, you can add a pair of dumbbells for an extra challenge. Intermediate athletes might consider incorporating a resistance band around the thighs or using a barbell. And for the advanced folks out there, try adding a plyometric jump in the middle of your side lunge. This explosive movement will really fire up those leg muscles. But remember, it's not a race. Start slow, focus on your form, and gradually increase the intensity as your strength and mobility improve. It's better to do 5 quality reps than 15 sloppy ones. And don't forget to mix it up. Variety is the spice of life, after all. Try alternating between different variations or integrate side lunges into a circuit with other exercises. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to success is consistency. So, make side lunges a regular part of your routine. This way, you'll reap the benefits of improved mobility, enhanced strength, and better athletic performance. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to step up your game with side lunges. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from those who have experienced the power of side lunges firsthand. Allow us to introduce you to a few athletes who have reaped the benefits of incorporating side lunges into their training. First up, we have a professional soccer player who swears by side lunges. He tells us, When it comes to agility and quick lateral movements on the field, side lunges have been a game changer for me. They've helped me improve my knee joint stability, reducing the risk of injuries during those high-pressure matches. Next, we hear from a seasoned marathon runner. She shares that side lunges have been instrumental in strengthening my adductor muscles. This has not only improved my running efficiency, but also significantly reduced the risk of groin strains, a common issue for long-distance runners. Even fitness trainers endorse the exercise. One renowned fitness coach shares, "I've seen firsthand how side lunges can transform an athlete's performance. They target the adductors, glutes, and quads, enhancing mobility and strength. I recommend them to athletes of all levels, from novices to the seasoned pros." Another trainer echoes this sentiment, saying, "The beauty of side lunges is their versatility. They can be modified to suit different fitness levels, and they complement other exercises perfectly. A well-executed side lunge can be a powerful addition to any workout routine." The testimonials go on, each one a testament to the transformative power of side lunges. From enhancing mobility and strength to reducing the risk of injury, the benefits of this simple exercise are far-reaching. Clearly, side lunges are a game changer, but the question is, are you ready to take the plunge? Now, it's your turn to experience the magic of side lunges. Imagine the power of a simple movement, shifting your strength and mobility to a whole new level. Picture yourself on the field, the court, or the track, moving with more agility, more balance, and less risk of injury. That's the potential of side lunges. Side lunges aren't just another exercise. They're a key to unlocking your athletic potential. By targeting your adductors, glutes, and quads, you're not just building muscle, you're enhancing your body's overall performance. You're creating stability where you need it most and reducing the risk of common strains and injuries. But remember, the magic is in the motion. Proper technique is crucial. It's not about how deep you go or how many reps you can do, it's about doing it right. Controlled movements, mindful breathing, and a focus on form will maximize the benefits of your side lunges. And hey, we're all on this journey together. We want to hear about your experiences. Have you tried side lunges before? Are you planning to add them to your routine? How are they impacting your performance? Let's make this a conversation. Share your thoughts, your progress, your triumphs in the comments below. Remember, it's not just about the big leaps forward. Every little step, every single lunge, takes you closer to your goals. So, give side lunges a shot. See for yourself the difference they can make in your athletic performance. Every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.